Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at something a little different than normal. This is the Investigator pocket knife by ASP Incorporated, or Armament Systems and Procedures Incorporated. And the thing that makes this kind of interesting is it's a pocket knife. It's a little pocket knife that's about the size of a Victorinox Classic that has a handcuff key on it. And so I figured we could take a look at this and see if it's any good or if it's interesting or not. And so on the back it says it has pin blade, handcuff key, scissors, screwdriver, CM scale, file and liner lock serrated blade. Okay. So, let's open this thing up and take a look. I also want to compare this to the usual Victorinox Classic and see how it stacks up. And let's see if there's anything interesting. Oh, okay, we get instructions and whatnot. So, let's see. See how I can see that? I guess we start at the top, shouldn't I? So, now, one thing I want to point out, at the time I'm making this video, this model is on sale. And normally it's $40, but at the time I'm making this video, it's on sale for $20, so they're half price, which is interesting and also worries me a little bit, because, you know, having these at half price makes me concerned that they might not be selling. So my initial reaction is it feels pretty solid in your hand, and so it kind of looks nifty. I don't know if y'all can see the little sparklies, and that doesn't seem like it's a sticker or anything. Alright, so it also comes with a little clip that you can attach to the key ring, and so you can clip it to things. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we can take a look at the. Oh, there's a neat sheen to it. They have like 3 or 4 other versions of this, like the scales. So if you don't like these, all right. So first, take a look at the handcuff key. So there is a handcuff key. I mean, it doesn't feel like super flimsy. I could probably bend this, but I don't know if I want to bend it. So you have the handcuff key. You have a handcuff key, and you have a serrated blade, and I don't know if y'all noticed this when I opened it, but it snaps to a position here, and then it snaps open, and then you have the liner lock. I don't think I've ever seen a liner lock on like a classic, like a Swiss Army knife classic style knife. It's not bad to use the liner lock. And I think the serrated blade might be useful. I don't know. I mean, I think you're probably limited at how tough your liner lock is going to be with a small knife blade like this and a smaller knife. I mean, it's not, I think it's not, you're only going to get so tough of a liner lock. So on the other side, you got scissors, and they use kind of a, not really a winger Swiss Army knife style lever here, but there's a little lever for the scissors. That's okay. You have, if I can get it out, got the nail file, screwdriver, and there's a little, I don't know if you can see it on the edge of the blade or not, but it's marked off for measurement if you ever need to measure 3 centimeters. And you have the pen blade, which is pretty standard. Let me grab something and we'll test and see how sharp this thing is. We'll butcher some 4 helpless post-it notes. See if it can defend us from post-it notes. Alright. So pretty sharp. The question is, let's try the other one. Let's try the serrated one. I imagine the serrated one would do pretty good. Yeah, it does pretty good. Alright, so that's not bad. I don't know. So, let's see. I mentioned the price. This one is $40 normally, and they're currently having like a web sale where it's $20. It's alright, this is a Victorinox Classic. So let's just look and compare. So they're nearly identical size-wise, pretty close. And the blades are similar. I'm just I'm curious about the quality. This one feels pretty substantial. So I don't know. I mean, it's an interesting little knife. What do y'all think? At $20, I don't at all regret buying this knife. It's a kind of a cool little oddity knife-wise. There are situations, depending upon what your job is, where the handcuff key might be super useful just to randomly have. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it a good addition, a bad addition? Is it good at $20 and ridiculous at $40? I'll include links in the description for the homepage for ASP, and I'll also include a link to this. And one thing, I'll include a link to this, and I'll also include an Amazon link for it. Now, I want to make sure you check like multiple places, like check Amazon and check the homepage if you want one of these, because you know I looked and it's like on Amazon it was like $35, and on the homepage, because they're running a sale right now, they were like $20, and so I got them from the homepage at $20, just because you know it's cheaper. You don't get any toothpick or tweezers, which I mean I guess that's fine. You get a handcuff key, so it balances out. What do you think about the you know the liner lock for the small serrated blade? I feel like that almost is lulling you into a false sense of security, because I don't. I think it would be easy to force your way past the liner lock. Just you know, it's just because it's. But maybe not. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's anything interesting or unusual out there that you think I should check out, also let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.